Making tax digital, what it really means for taxi drivers. Making tax digital is no longer a consultation, it is policy. From April 2026, self-employed individuals earning over £50,000 must comply. From April 2027, that threshold drops to £30,000. For most full-time London taxi drivers, this will apply. The shift is simple in structure. Instead of one annual self-assessment return, you will submit 4 quarterly updates plus a final end-of-year declaration to HM Revenue and Customs. The difference is frequency. The detail is where drivers need clarity. The exact quarterly deadlines. The tax year still runs 6 April to 5th of April. Under Making Tax Digital for Income Tax, Quarter 1, 6th of April to 5th of July, deadline 7th of August. Quarter 2, 6th July, 5th of October, deadline 7th of November. Quarter 3, 6th of October, January, deadline 7th of February. Quarter 4, 6th of January, 5th of April, deadline 7th of May. Then, final declaration, full tax reconciliation, deadline 31st of January following the tax year. That means 4 quarterly submissions, 1 final declaration, same January payment deadline. 5 submissions instead of 1. Option 1, do it yourself. You maintain digital records. You submit quarterly through approved software. The pros: lower accounting fees, full control of your numbers, real-time visibility of profit, no year-end scramble. The cons: admin time during long shifts, learning curve with software, discipline required every quarter, exposure to penalties if late, miss 7 August, 7th of November, 7th of February or 7th of May, and you enter HMRC's points-based penalty system. Quarterly rhythm becomes law. Platforms taxi drivers can use to submit directly. Software must be MTD compatible. Common options: QuickBooks bank feeds, auto-categorization, direct submission to HMRC. Sage, fully compliant, strong reporting tools. Free agent, contractor-friendly, often bundled with certain business accounts. Hybrid model, common in the trade. You maintain digital records. You send quarterly figures before each deadline. Your accountant reviews and submits. This often reduces errors and reduces fees. What accountants are actually doing differently under MTD, accountants must ensure digital record compliance, submit quarterly summaries, maintain digital audit trail, file final declaration. Important distinction: quarterly submissions are summary updates, not full tax calculations. The detailed computation still happens at year-end. Workflow increases. Technical complexity does not multiply by 4. How much should fees rise? Realistic expectations: £200 to £400 annual increase for full MTD handling, or £25–50 per month packages. If fees triple overnight, request a breakdown. Frequency has increased. The technical burden has not quadrupled. Bank account structure: essential minimum recommended structure, business income account, all fares, all card settlements, no personal spending. Tax holding account: move 20 to 30% weekly, untouchable. Personal spending account: pay yourself a weekly transfer. If everything is mixed into one account, admin time rises, and so will your bill. Step by step, what taxi drivers should do now. This is the practical roadmap. Step 1. Confirm if you're in scope from April 2026, over £50,000 gross self-employed income. From April 2027, over gross income, not profit. Most full-time drivers will qualify. Step 2. Speak to your accountant. Early ask. 1. What is your MTD package pricing? 2. Can I submit quarterly updates myself? 3. You handle only the final declaration. 4. If my records are clean, can fees reduce? Do not wait until the first 7 August deadline. Step 3. Set up proper banking structure. Business income account, tax holding account, personal spending account, weekly transfers. Build discipline before quarterly deadlines arrive. Step 4. Choose your software. If self-submitting, you must use MTD-compatible software approved by HM Revenue and Customs. Spreadsheets alone will not be enough for submission. Step 5. Lock in the quarterly dates. Your financial calendar becomes 7th of August, 7th of November, 7th of February, 7th of May. Put them in your diary now. Step 6. Understand payment dates unchanged. Tax payment deadlines remain. 31st of January, balancing payment plus first payment on account. 31st of July, second payment on account. MTD changes reporting frequency. It does not change payment timing. Step 7. Build weekly discipline. Ideal weekly rhythm. Reconcile income, log expenses, Transfer tax percentage, review before quarter closes. Quarterly panic disappears if weekly structure exists. Final word. The calendar now defines your tax year: 7th of August, 7th November 7, February 7, May 31st, January 31, July. Making tax digital is not about fear, it is about structure. Drivers who understand their numbers will adapt. Drivers who delay will feel pressure. The system is changing. Preparation decides who stays ahead. This has been Spoken Inc., reporting for the self-employed driver.